Hello world, sonofthesol here, ready to shine some light. How you feeling today? How you breathing today? Semen retention. Is it okay to nut? Now, let me tell you something. Man-made devices paved the way for sexual overstimulation. That's a big deal. Why? Because our biology is designed for sexual stimulation. But not in the way that man-made devices were created. See, the man-made devices, those are substances that are not in front of us. So we're not experiencing that firsthand. They're pre-recorded and there's no exchange. You understand? So for me, that was a big deal for me. It made me realize that our biology is made for connection. You understand? Cavemen didn't have iPads, iPods, smartphones for sexual stimulation. Instead, they had whatever was in front of them. And a lot of the time, maybe it wasn't the biggest butts, the biggest tits, the prettiest faces. Hence, natural selection, right? So, put in that perspective. Well, what happens when you ejaculate with something that's artificial? Well, you get something called artificial ejaculation. Now, because we are experiencing this, we are overstimulating ourselves and we're draining ourselves because there is no exchange. We're just giving, and we're not receiving. I take that back. We are receiving. What we're receiving is low energy, anxiety, disconnection with human experiences. So put that in perspective, man. So, is it okay to nut? Of course it is. Of course it is. That's what our body is designed to do. That's what a woman's body is designed to do. A man's body is designed to do. We have our orgasms. But it's through the connection that makes the difference. The energetic connections that we make. When you're experiencing stuff like pornography and you constantly scrolling down the damn page and you see hot women here, hot women there, big butts there, you're not making a connection. All you're doing is fulfilling a animalistic desire. The overuse of our natural pleasure. So the answer is yes. It's okay to nut. Make sure you do it with somebody you care about. Make sure you have the best intentions. You understand? Maybe it's not the love of your life, but make sure you have good intentions. And make sure they have good intentions too. Know your worth. Just because she got a big butt don't mean she got good energy. You know? Pay attention to that. Even for women, that man's handsome, that don't mean he has a good energy. Pay attention to the energy you exchange Stay bright.